Hi everybody, today we are going to be making a landscape in Procreate. So I am using a screen size canvas. So it's just the first option that you will see when you click the plus in Procreate. Okay, so I just made a screen size, and now you're going to click background color in layers. And as you can see, I'm using this first color in my color palette. So that color is kind of bright for me, so I'm gonna make it just a little lighter. Okay, so I made the color just a little brighter for me. So now I am clicking layers again, and make sure you're on layer 1 now. So now go to brushes and click calligraphy and use the monoline brush. And we're gonna be using that brush for the whole entire time. So now I'm using this second color in my color palette. It's like a yellowy orange. So you just want to make your brush size to 15 and just draw a circle and hold it. And then put your finger to make a perfect circle. And you can click edit shape and make a circle if it just turned out to be an oval. So if you want to center it, click the mouse and click uniform and make snapping on. And you can see the yellow line in the middle is making sure it's in the middle for me. Okay, so once you've got it into the middle, you can take your color and drag and drop it. So now what you want to do is create a new layer, and you want to be on the monoline brush, remember. And now I'm going to use this third color in my color. It's like a green, very light green. And now you want to click another layer and use layer clipping mask. Okay, so you just want to make these little squiggly lines and make sure it's connected at the bottom, because otherwise if it's not, it will go everywhere. So I'm just using my brush to make it perfect, as I want. And you can also use the eraser to make it however you want. So then you're gonna make these little lines for trees, like I'm doing right here. So I'm just drawing this line, and I'm just holding it to make a perfect one. And I'm just gonna do it for the whole entire land thing. Okay, and once you're done drawing your trees, you just want to drag and drop your color in. Okay, so now I finished drawing all my trees. Now I'm going to click a new layer. So I'm going to click layer 1 and click the plus, and it's automatically going to have layer clipping mask. So now what you want to do is go to colors, and you see that fourth color I'm using. So I'm just going to use that and do the same thing, okay? Just draw the squiggly line and drag and drop your color and draw the trees all over again. I'm making these trees a little smaller because they are farther away. So now I finished drawing my trees, and I'm gonna click a new layer, and it's automatically gonna have a layer clipping mask. So just go to colors, and I'm using this last color in my color palette. So right now, all you want to do is just draw a circle, and like we did for the first thing, okay? And I clicked edit shape and click circle, and then you drag and drop your color in, and now you are actually done. But if you want, you can fix everything, like I'm doing here. So you see the side that's not colored, I'm gonna color that because it doesn't look good not colored. I am just making the brush size a little smaller for my eraser because I just want to fix my trees a little bit. Okay, so now you're done, and leave a like and comment down below and be sure to subscribe. Bye everyone!